So, why do guys ride bikes? What is it about these two wheels that captivates their hearts and sets their spirits free? Well, let me take you on a journey into the world of bikers, where the answers lie. For many guys, riding a bike is an escape, a way to break free from the pressures and constraints of everyday life. It's a chance to embrace their adventurous spirit, to feel the exhilaration of the open road beneath them. The bike becomes an extension of themselves, a conduit for their passion and sense of freedom. When they swing their leg over the seat and grip the handlebars, a transformation occurs. The bike becomes a vessel, carrying them to a place where they can be truly themselves. In that moment, nothing else matters. Careers, responsibilities, or societal expectations. They are left behind, and the only thing that matters is the road ahead. Riding a bike allows guys to connect with the world around them in a profound way. As the engine roars and the wheels turn, they become one with the elements, embracing the sights, sounds, and smells of the surroundings. Whether it's the breathtaking views of the mountain pass or the clear, calming breeze around a coastal road, every ride offers a chance to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. But riding bikes is not just a solitary pursuit, it's a community, a brotherhood. It spans the globe. When guys gather at rallies or meet up for a ride, a bond is formed. They share stories, experiences, and a love for the open road. In this tribe, they find acceptance, support, and lifelong friendships. Bikers, we take great pride in their machines. They spend hours meticulously maintaining and customizing their bikes, turning them into unique expressions of their personalities. From the polished chrome to the rear of the engine, their bikes become a reflection of their own individuality and a source of immense pride. And of course, there's the thrill, adrenaline rush that comes with pushing the limits. Riding a bike allows guys to experience a sense of speed and power that's unmatched. The wind in their faces, the twists and turns of the road, it's a dance of skill and confidence. And in those moments, they feel truly alive. So why do guys ride bikes? It's because riding represents so much more than just a mode of transportation. It's a way to break free, to connect with nature, to find a community, and to experience the exhilaration of the journey. It's a passion that runs deep with the souls, ignite a fire that cannot be extinguished. So if you ever wondered why guys ride bikes, maybe it's time for you to hop on a saddle and experience it for yourself. Join the brotherhood, embrace the freedom, and let the road guide you to your new adventures. Signing off, it's Neha Kaza.